The condition of it is kind of part of the whole story. It doesn't have to be perfect. For some of the, seams where the picture is supposed to meet up, I think it helps like people understand it better if there's like continuity. So filling in some of these missing areas helps like the viewer's eye make the connections. And this part it's completely reversible. It's not altering the artist's work at all. It could be removed just with like a little cotton swab with water. So it should be reversible. So if somebody in the future decides that different approach, philosophies have changed a lot over the decades. So you just can't assume that people will think about it in the same way in the future. That's why we decided to move forward with the restoration aspect of it. We worked with a professional paintings conservator who designed the treatment, and he's actually a specialist in cleaning sensitive painting surfaces. So he came up with a tailored cleaning solution, which was water-based, but it was pH adjusted to be safe for the acrylic paint. And we used that to clean the paintings. They were in pretty good shape, but they had an overall layer of grime and they had some fingerprint smudges. They definitely benefited from overall cleaning and they brightened up a lot. In terms of restoration, it was really minimal, but we just wanted to make sure that the missing areas of paint were not visually distracting and that the viewer can just focus on the kind of continuous narrative of the mural without being distracted by the damage. But on the whole, the mural was in pretty good condition. So for something so big, we were lucky that we didn't have to do too much to it. It's also wonderful to get to work with a living artist. So we were able to invite her to visit during the treatment, and she even did some of the in painting for the restoration. So that was exciting and nice that we could assure her that we weren't doing anything that affected, the integrity of her mural.